Our classic paneled shutters are constructed of injection molded and extruded polypropylene parts. These shutters are 1 inch in depth, have an embossed wood grain appearance, a two-sided panel design, and elegant beaded details. They have UV additives that protect against fading and ensure that they're weather resistant, long-lasting, and maintenance-free. These shutters come in 5 standard widths and are available in any length 20 inches and up in 1/4 inch increments. Multi-wide classic paneled shutters are available in numerous widths to ensure all size needs can be met. The hollow back design allows for the shutters to be lightweight, but still proves to be sturdy. They come in 10 different configurations, with either a straight top or an eyebrow top. Eyebrow tops are made with a 1 inch, 2 inch, or 3 inch drop. With so many options, you can provide your home with a truly custom look. The color is through and through, and available in 19 standard colors, plus a paintable polystyrene option. Two-tone shutters can be made by request. Color-coordinated vinyl spikes are included with our classic paneled shutters. Painted head metal screws are available and sold separately. Whether you are looking to finish the look of your new home or trying to add some curb appeal to your current home, our classic paneled shutters provide an option needed to truly customize your exterior. Perfect Shutters, your one-stop shop for, well, perfect shutters.